perfect. The audience enjoy the musicians, and I'm very proud of this.
Is het belangrijk voor Plovdiv en voor de Roma in Plovdiv dat Plovdiv culturele hoofdstad van Europa is?
Пловдив, както и за Рома, хората в Пловдив, че Пловдив е културна столица на Европа.
Разбира се.
Natuurlijk.
Разбира се. Това е нещо уникално. Даже кмета на Пловдив беше тук.
Zelfs de burgemeester van Plovdiv was aanwezig vandaag.
Беше тук с министър на културата и много.
Ook de minister van Culturele Zaken van Bulgarije was hier. Dus het is echt belangrijk voor ons.
Да.
En de gewone mensen in Plovdiv, gaan die er ook van profiteren dat de stad culturele hoofdstad van Europa wordt?
Обикновените хора имат ли чувството, че това е нещо уникално и че ще има някаква полза за Пловдив?
Винаги хубавите неща, винаги има полза. Щом са хубави неща, щом има емоция, радост, veselje.
Van de mooie dingen kunnen mensen altijd profiteren. En als er maar mensen blij zijn en als er lol hebben, dan is het echt ook een profijt hebben van iets.
Now is the moment. Dear Vijsma will hand over the title to Mr. Totev, the mayor of Plovdiv.
The WAS survey shows us that most of the 80% of the citizens of the city are encouraged of this, that the Plovdiv will be a European capital of culture. Of course, we have such a challenge to show them exactly the program, but according to our survey, the people are excited, the people support the project, but they want to know more about exactly what is the agenda, what is the different events, and we have to work for this.
Vorrei augurare un anno di buon esito a tutti quelli che contribuiscono a materia capitale europea di cultura 2019.
And the lessons from Frisian was very important for us. Because of the idea of Mienskip, we studied a lot, we learned a lot from that, and we totally agree that the importance of human being is because of our soul or because of our brain, and we have to better work about the brain instead of about bricks.
Secondly, Vapokis will hand over to Matera, Italy.
Hoeveel mees kunnen wij eraan zien Matera? How many people live in Matera?
Around 60,000, but we increased in the last 5 years because of the title. So normally cities in the southern part of Italy are losing population, but because of the title people will remain, and we increase a little bit about the students. We are doubling our university campus, and it will be one of the most important legacy after the 2019.